Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add any shape in Photoshop. So let's start. At first open our Photoshop document. Now you can see add any shape in Photoshop. Now go into the toolbar option. Now select from shape. Now select from custom shape tool. Now click from shape. Now I select from cloud shape. Now draw a cloud shape. Now keyboard resize the shape. Now keyboard press enter. Now change color. Now go into the color option. Now select from color. Now click OK. Now you can see color, now shape in the shadow. Now shape, click from mouse right button option. Now click from blending option. Now click from drop shadow. That is. Now opacity. That is. Now click OK. Now you can see add any shape in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment,